expert Michelle Phillips is back to share her weekly beauty tips with an emphasis on how beauty begins, this throws me here, with your mindset.
So I love those soaps. They smell just fabulous.
They really do.
If you guys could just smell, we smell the vision. I always say that.
Hair loss is not just an issue for men. It affects women as well. And Michelle Phillips is back this week with her Monday morning beauty bag to share some tips on how to prevent hair loss and get the hair you've always wanted. Michelle, I love when you're here. How are you?
Great. How are you?
I'm going to use your words. You said we kind of have a hair obsession here on The Blend. Every time we see Michelle, we're like, okay, what's new? What do you do? Any tips? What?
Yeah.
And so you always seem to help us out with every kind of category.
We're always asking you, like, all right, what have you found lately? What do we need to know about?
This is a really cool skincare company I've recently discovered. It's called Fountain of Truth, and I love this eye product. This is called the Magic Wand Sculpting Eye Roller. And what I love about this, first of all, it's a lightweight eye cream, so you can wear it underneath your makeup. It's not heavy. It also contains an exclusive super bioferment complex, and really what that means in layman terms is it helps smooth away the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. But what also this has in it is caffeine. And I'm always telling my clients that if you're looking to reduce puffiness and dark circles underneath your eyes, look for an eye product that has caffeine in it.
Not just drinking coffee, like actually literally like putting caffeine.
And it doesn't, it's not going to give you that feeling like you've had any caffeine, so don't worry if you've quit caffeine, you can still use it in your eye product. But this is fabulous, and it also has a metal double ball applicator on it, you can see right here, that's really cool on contact underneath your eyes, so it really soothes.
So morning and night, or?
Yeah, you can use it morning and night if you like. I use this in the morning before I put my makeup on, and I even, like, if I've really got puffy eyes, throw it in the refrigerator for a few minutes, and that cooling ball roller, it just kind of, it feels so good underneath your eyes. This is so cool.
Wait till you hear this.
Okay, so this is Sarah Miracle. This is an Ageless Delight Beauty Chocolate Supplement. Okay?
Chocolate, everybody.
Chocolate supplement. This chocolate is cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and it's sugar-free and allergen-free. It's organic South American dark chocolate.
I am, like, seriously, I had no idea this even existed. I am loving this.
Yum. Is it good? I think it is, but what do you think? Very good? Okay.
Thankfully, our resident beauty expert, Michelle Phillips, joins us today to share a few of those top trends, at least ones that are Michelle approved.
That's right.
It can get very overwhelming.
Yeah, and for everyday women.
Yeah.
Because sometimes I look at these social media feeds and I think, really? Not so much, unless you're like 17. So I'm going to share some trends that are great for every lady.
Okay. I know what your answer is going to be, though, because I know you. And you say yes to serums.
Absolutely, and it's worth it. And so many times I've been here and I've mentioned serums, and every single time everybody's like, what are serums? What are serums? So I decided to do an entire segment on serums because they're really important. First of all, serums give your skin an extra boost. And you use them before you apply your moisturizer. I think of them like a treatment. So you purchase serums based on what skincare concerns you have.
We're going to continue this. In the meantime, where can people go for more information?
Oh, go to my website, michellephillips.com.
Good stuff. If we can look like Michelle, we're all winners.